Now we are going to use the Advanced IP Scanner tool to detect the IP address of our Raspberry Pi device. We have now connected the power supply, but no other peripherals. It is important to note that the SD card must be connected as the Pi cannot boot without it. Is that the red and the green LEDs are blinking. It means it is in the booting process. Now let's go to my system screen and download the Advanced IP Scanner software from the internet. Here we need to visit this Advanced IP Scanner's official website. Then let's go ahead with this download option. It will start downloading. Open it to launch the IP Scanner installation wizard. Here click on OK. Then continue with the next option. And then finally install it. After completing the installation, click on Finish to launch the application. So, this is the Advanced IP Scanner Tools interface. These are the IP ranges, which help to scan devices between these ranges. Selecting the view, you can add or remove these features. By default, inactive and active devices are dead and alive respectively. Dead devices refer to devices that were previously connected to our router but are currently disconnected. Now let's click on this scan button to view all the devices connected to our router. You can see on the screen it has scanned and found some devices. These are the scanned devices connected to our Wi-Fi networks. As you can see, each device has its own name. But in case of this IP address, it has no name. I guess this may be the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. So let us try to check this by establishing a connection using SSH protocol. You might be aware that we enabled SSH in the Raspberry Pi during OS burning. To implement this SSH communication, we will be using the Putty application.